Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error when you can't exit from headphone mode. So you see here your headphones and you just can't exit from this mode. So first thing you need to try is to restart your phone. So just keep holding power button until you will see your reboot. So just click on reboot and just wait until your device will restart. So another thing you can also try is to turn on airplane mode and just turn it off. So just try to click on airplane mode and just turn it off. In some situations it helps. So this is a way how you can try to exit from your headphone mode. Also, the last thing you can try is to connect again your headphones and just connect again and just disconnect, because sometimes you can have problems here in some when you connect your cable to your phone. So just try to reconnect it. So this is a way how you can do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.